No clear direction in markets today, with bulls and bears fighting for control. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for July 17th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.15, gaining 0% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to gold prices slide as strong dollar outweighs safe haven demand MSN. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.35, gaining 0% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Visa backs OpenUSD with new stablecoin platform as Circle faces fresh competition. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 162.07, gaining 0% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. USD SGD is trading at 0.7762, gaining 0% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold's wartime rally playbook meets a twist elevated inflation expectations behind the recent fall. Nirmal Bang's Kunal Shah breaks down why gold's acting differently this war and what it means for prices ahead. Surabhi Upadhyay #gold prices #goldmar LinkedIn. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6998, gaining 0.31% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Currency markets are reacting to gold prices slide as strong dollar outweighs safe haven demand MSN. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1479, gaining 0.1% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Visa backs OpenUSD with new stablecoin platform as Circle faces fresh competition. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 96.33, losing 0.09% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that oil prices fall as market awaits possible US-Iran ceasefire deal energy now. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street ends lower as chip weakness offsets solid earnings, economic data. Currency markets are reacting to gold prices slide as strong dollar outweighs safe haven demand MSN. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Visa backs OpenUSD with new stablecoin platform as Circle faces fresh competition. Our near-term view on Australian dollar to US dollar. With Australian dollar to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $0.7173 level above and $0.6823 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, Forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.